New tonight, Arkansas Congressman Steve Womack urging state leaders to bolster more vaccine allocations to Northwest Arkansas. The request comes after recent data shows the need to enhance vaccination rates in this region. Congressman spoke to Governor Asa Hutchinson, Arkansas Health Secretary Dr. Jose Romero, and Colonel Robert Ator to further discuss these concerns. 5 News reporter Allie Lynch brings us the latest details.
I noticed that there was not a single county in Northwest Arkansas, and in particular the 3rd Congressional District, that was at or higher than our state averages. In fact, all of our counties were performing well below the state average.
As well as speaking to Arkansas state leaders, Congressman Womack sent a letter urging the Health Resources and Services Administration, an agency of the U.S. Department of Health and Human Services, explaining that the northwestern part of the state is continuing to fall behind in the vaccination rates and something needs to change. According to the data provided by Congressman Womack, no county in the 3rd Congressional District is at or above the average partially vaccinated rate at 23% for the state.
Benton County in the single-dose column, 16%. That's 7% below the state average. Washington County was at 19%. Sebastian County trailing at 14%. So each of the 3 big counties in Arkansas 3 performing well below the state averages.
Resulting in no counties in Congressman Womack's district with over 20% of its population partially vaccinated.
There was no county in the 3rd District of Arkansas that was performing at even close to the state's averages, either on single dose or fully vaccinated.
Representative Womack believes there are many contributing factors as to why Northwest Arkansas is lagging behind.
It's either we don't have enough vaccine in our state, or there is some flaw, if you will, in the methodology into how this vaccine is being pushed out across our state, and I wanted to get those answers.
Along with those answers, the Fayetteville City Health Officer, Dr. Marty Sharkey, believes another reason may be to blame.
In the more rural parts of Northwest Arkansas, we are seeing a little bit more vaccine hesitancy in some of the other counties, not so much in Washington and Benton counties, but some of the smaller counties that are a little more rural, where the vaccine is not getting into the hands of trusted providers that can help talk some of the patients through some of their hesitancy.
Covering news where you live, Allie Lynch, 5 News.
Congressman Womack says he hopes to hear something back from the HRSA later this week after conversations with state leaders today. He believes further examination will lead to an increased shipment of vaccines, which will make its way to Northwest Arkansas.